And that's Asumdre here from the Daughters of Glorious Jesus, bringing us to 29 after 3 on Ghana's #1 radio station, Adom 106.3 FM. Jesus today, only Jesus. Jesus Christ, only Jesus. Jesus Christ, only Jesus. Amina Asumdre here enemy so na me fa ma wa kwaba Emra Ofie Kwanso so Adom 106.3 FM. For today, Monday, the 26th of April 2021. Every Saturday, I copy Mabel Okyere, you know, a synchronia Edumedi eso. Your friend Jerry Justice, Papa Bill Swaha, African Wa, Jamestown, J. Cole, so Ewaha, and Eddie and Hoye. And you know, Nancy, every Saturday, copy say Ebebo and Yumre Nunsia. Quickly, Yanka was said Flora disposable handkerchief. You so I recommended the amount phone now. Instead of be used with the usual cloth handkerchief, no. They recommend this use of Flora disposable handkerchief. I know your papa. We know a tissue. It's we back one now or the other bay. We pen disposing of. Say 10 piano or better come pa. The bones when you're the iron crook right here fit into your pocket, your purse or your bag easily. They are available in town bed. Yeah. Open the door, Fred Delta Paper Mill Limited on 0243 033 033. Flora, better than cloth handkerchief. As they do from Dominion about powder. Yeah, no, so unya be a boama ultimate build a strong immune system. Next time, boy, and normalize your blood pressure amount. Wow, heart or kidney related problems, no, stroke, diabetes, nina, pam, yalty pain, pan, or spine, moon. We are market to be annual break, Cassia Pad, the Diana Honamoya. Dominion about powder, a bidu, a kajinemu. Obenya Biato, away on and watch about shops. I feel Hallows Herbal, King's Walk Herbal, Little George Health Shop, Watermark County 5, Repatch Ventures, Kofuria Fonko Gaps and Pharmacy, I feel Henana Herbal. Moamwe, Krapi Mountains, Monko, Dura, Oshere Chemicals, yeah, 1 man pond, and I feel Asumdre House, and also a breed. And yes, I should share Angel Dominion about Center Shakwan Ewon Coco with me at 0543 158 195. I face 020 429 6449. Dominion about powder, your #1 immune booster. I feel yeah, Kyle says so call markets now kwakoto a food product. I share the AGI and Ghana Standards Authority for Omo Celia a friend or Basima yede abon no so unya hu sa seal no e food products bi ho e chese sa food products no e 18 essential vitamins and minerals ya hu hia de ma pom de ho sempa Basima e good for abusuani nyina especially enu ya mama no tie pacha wa omode answer bibia be come market so koto ye food products no obeto ye food products e what the Basima seal e wo ho shoes of Basima stay healthy stay strong. Abusa enche bia ye borem na ye de videos of our time our bro Ofie Kwanso so Adom 106.3 FM na ene videos of our time na de bro no mira hu ye pa by can get see the new Techno Spark 7 series o madama and ye de videos of our time bro. She also said we know the amount of big screen pa it was 6.6 inch true color screen. Yeah, bet me I show movies, football matches, no play games also. Come pa. Camera no so they go 16 megapixel AI camera quality. Yeah, unya night time pictures ni na no. It is a daytime pictures pepe. Now it was strong battery so the memory they go 128 gig. Yeah, but me store download your music, movies, need they can on the phone. It's our 4 gig memory. Yeah, running faster. It's my son can the all new Techno Spark 7 series movie from accredited shops out on a mobile phones. I need shops out on across the country, and you will love it. All right, so yeah, boy room now. Yeah, the videos of our time are bro. And the videos of our time, per se, yeah, in tentem na yeah, TNC free home. I was on patrol, tie, some command me new AD. Na, and na me ba jumano, me bon paye. And na me say, rade say, on come hona on dom me. Said the beya, as someone me ba bekin. Obema me aka samne boko, said the tie. Na makoma enkosro na manompa na menkoka de ensese meka because asem na hyemimu atete me ama madi hu yawa in my sleep cry no I was still thinking about this issue na ya seriously eti me wo mu se ma bon pa yese rade mo me na me address issue no boko na me akasa so me ye me fomu de se meso makomom na men kasa men kotra so but asem no ya I want you to join me on Facebook Sisia na yenhwe na yenkasa asem yi na yenyimfio African be fam ko Facebook no so ai I worrying na I am not the only person kofu pi na edi asem kroya ho yawo but like I said the tie bia no ese ye kakra na yenya botre ne yeka na yanka sentia obi ana yan sound say we are disrespecting people and I'll try say me very easy on this issue. But I want you to join me on Facebook. Baby, I will be just join me on Facebook now. Let's deal with this issue. This issue. Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook. Jeremy Sisia, Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook. Now videos of our time, yeah, come once them. And sa asemiya ye kan wa asemi ewo ye videos of our time so Ofie Kwanso. I am begging all journalists in Ghana. Minim say ebinum even wo multimedia ha kra no. The issue came up some time ago. Emma ye kan wa asemu na atiada. This time I am calling on all journalists and central for Ghana mamu nyina. Se mama ye nyina yemfa ye ho nje sa asemi mu na yemfa nye ye kon a ye kon hwe media no ye powerful and at times ye itimi set agenda no ye na ebetimi a kire say this issue and say at this point or mine no e discuss it and we can push it if we really want to effect change. I think say it's about that time. I am begging all in central for Ghana. Says some way, mommy fun is serious. Let's trumpet this issue. Young can want some sound till we see change. Because it is bad, it is worrying, it's heartbreaking. Influencers are all more cream. Celebrities are more Ghana. More huge following. Any idea? Ya moka edimu. More voice. From now, let's begin to talk about this issue. Bloggers, let's talk about this issue. Let's push this agenda till say those in authority ebeye hu bibi. Mami why asem nani so ye enchire netia say the reason why I am calling on every single Ghanaian, especially yen celebrities here most more influence. yen bloggers in central for nititru. I am sure say over the weekend this video ya go viral be sometimes I did be cry about broche for I think me receiving me on Thursday and Madam for Justice they send me from Canada. Sa housing project ya ye jato wama essay. And you see, I'm out for some like I said, even multimedia, ya can want some time. And they ya oh baby. But the man who went there and took that video, or also a politician, Ayaga, and you could feel the pain in his voice when he was taking that video of that housing project because enya ban bi na sha CNT na enipan team na nipa egu abonte, people are struggling to get places to sleep na ye jaya dan we nyina egu na essay. This is bad. What are we doing to ourselves? And che ye bia 2 weeks grandma I was having a discussion with a friend. Never housing and I'm catching say look. Nyame adom ye mu bi wa ye hu nyama bi wo baby kakra. But there na ye yan say yen politicians here ye nyomo nam yi. Politicians here nyomo ti kromu yi. They travel, they see things how it's done elsewhere. But on bedu had there say ye. Nemom sebe abrofo nsem fon nyama bi ahu hia nsem hu bi omudi ho ne de and there sometimes and there so ha de ye me boa rade mama botre hwe baby ho no mo a yen PS a yen nyom na anka yesi so at a certain yet this generation for aba no ono woni kromu na wote no o wie school anyame ye na dum onya adwuma ye no abosome so obaji bibi e de ato no botom se ne salary no. The person can just go and rent an apartment. No, what them. Bosome swan. Yetua ne car no atibi de yetua ne dan cannot him. Uncle Cruci Castle de kwa rented down for a 2-year period or 3-year period. Unlike our place. Ahahwe kromua. Obia ye adwuma wie anaso wa cost we wie nya adwuma. But baby odi ni tibeto na ye na adwendwen problem. Because obi afe na all start adwuma, come to think of it, why is that person going to get that amount of money? Now we're here for a 2-year period and so we're rented them. Otimi 2 years new year now the person is still thinking of how to gather money again because it's here in 2 years our best answer to renew the rent. And to any pan crack or productivity just on your productive or on to me. Just say, I drink da unipa so. Elsewhere, they live freely because that pressure in so. Or quite not then munano, a bosome na bosome so yetuan can so atibi da kotuan danka. Because Abina provided housing. In our place, it is not like that. Look at how people are suffering, even to build their own houses. And people are killing people because of land, land litigations. People are killing people. It in a housing project here now say at esa enhyehyɛ anka ban yeso betimi asi dan mam or mamu for na tremuno. Eye dwuma people will not be struggling going heaven and earth so person no so ko turn asas no no asi dan by force. No. To kweko places bebre na kohwe sanity a it is only few people. And no sikafo bi pebi. And then omo atimi kosi omo dan outskirts ba bi ni wakosi ni dan ruram ba bi ni ade. But most of them, me, my two kwakwakoda apartment new town. Anopama sorry, me PFU no. I see rich people, driving in a Lamborghinis, and they are all living in the same apartment with the binum bicycle. They are all living in the same apartment, but not here in Ghana. Why? Nasa yetimi see the reason why adiwe eyame ya na ye lot of Ghanaians ya say it is our own money. Look, project bi aban be no enye se John Muhammad ni bottom sika na ye. President Kufu amfa ni bottom sika, Kufu Adom amfa ni bottom sika anya de maga eye Ghana sika no de be ye de amaye. So it is our own money. say abanye bibi na enye ye taxpayers money ni ode ya, it is either when ya grant bi or baby and ode abe and now akwaji loan ode abe na loan kro akwaja repayment no ye taxes ya na ye de betua sa loan. Mete you need choice. Unlike other business omo ye bitimi invade taxes near there because it is taken from source. Bosume beso me pro me tax na ya te. The other time na me ye ever since I started working, me tax I had to think one. You can ni na boom. I don't care about me. Be a 2-bedroom. Be at the mommy. You tax. Not on my sicker. Look at where. Join me on Facebook and look at this housing unit. According to the story, no, some project it was supposed to give us about 5,000 housing units, but they ended up doing about 1,500 or so. And they go. Look at the number of people who can be accommodated. I was side down with him. And ye jet ye go. And you part do a bit me and yes, I down with Mwada. And yet people are struggling to buy land. And they me kuni power assassin. Me am a TA. Me example. Me a victim. A branch me struggle some person in your baby di me tito. Namakoto assassin. Etimi raise there do a certain level na man so aba na fe me I didn't even want to die because me kwon hia me. I lost it. Ni baby boom performance omo sit down crofo baby buni nyina ade we bomi mu ama me na ye kasa se ho asem kra se besi dan kra. I didn't even want to hear that because of how I suffered inti. Until recently I'm saying no Charlie but me person hu ja me ntra ho sa. You see, but say abino etimi take sa initiative way. Elsewhere, yes, see dining go home. So time was so now about the baby atna. You just go now akwa baby atna. But Ghana, no. Na say etimi sit down we go. Abusia bra Facebook na be hwa dan na gu on. Ye akwan na dia tum. Ye see dan na we glass doors and windows. Ya hye bibia we beautifully done. But akaka krebi ne be commission ade na makrofa kwotene mu enya ban bi ne be ye ne mu aban fofo bi na ye nti ye ntoa so. President Kufuor started this affordable housing ade ono so ne de oye ni we have all the videos here. Papa ne time so ye okoya aban fofo ba eno ne ye jato Mahama so aba waba be ye bi ono so akwa aban fofo banti esese ye jato. Why are we doing this to ourselves? Enti enya basic an ye de enti se me president na maba na president si wo so no obehye ade we ase de du ba bi bata be boa Ghana for na nkasa enti me ba na me betoa so wie ne ye na enti me boa Ghana for na will I die? Why? Ana ye be kasa nyame na starting enti ye me gya to. Are we all right? Aren't we sick as a country? Why? Bra Facebook never shut down your good room essay. And me, I agree to what Ayarga said. Say, as I say, the government of the day, Yetimi Shano say, a banya deal with him, Bibi. A baya young government up to mid-year. So, a baya young Bibi, as he said in the video, the people who live close to that area, they should go there and occupy the place by force. Why? It's then your day, on my bank, look, yes, you sound so yensuasa. A free sea and war yan bag Ghana, says why it's now Krumwa. Ye nim say, ye beto a be a near friend, say Gary. Ye dig Gary, fitting and non society about the Gusudi Gary. Yen Timmy, yen ya GB say, Gary process a quite fast way to me, a Gary no crown, a tedious, a taking longer time and son will be to me, I arrive at the final product, Gary. So let's see how we can even improve on, a quite fast process, Gary. And then over the weekend, I was just going, I was reading a lot. Not me, China for about the who said Gary no, a quay pa. I'm out for a consuming Gary. Now I'm developing machine. Our machine, and you only put the sending there since by a crescent a bunch. And you only put a good job by bunch, I call you drop, I call you and Sunny at the Gary.